Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for March 1 to 15, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Caps, let's see what's up. You have trine, sextile, so merong help, merong tulong, may assistance kung kinakailangan mo ng tulong. Pwedeng tulong sa trabaho, financial assistance. You also have series, nurture. You are also going to focus on taking care of the needs ng iyong family or mga taong mahal mo sa buhay, no? Also have Neptune, which is vision. This is about your goals, yung mga dreams mo, pangarap mo. You are also tapping into your imagination, your creative talents, yung creative skills. Some of you pwedeng mangangailangan ng tulong pagdating sa parang assistance sa isang project ninyo. Pwedeng hingi kayong tulong sa kaibigan nyo or sa isang tao na expert that will help you with your project. Overall energy, you have the Emperor. So this is fully in control of your life. There's a lot of structure. So ibig sabihin nyo to, mas determinado ka, mas disiplinado ka sa mga ginagawa mo. Let's say you have a goal, talagang kinocommit mo yung sarili mo para makuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo, and that's good. Kaya lang minsan baka nakakalimutan mo na mag-let loose minsan, na tipong puro trabaho tapos hindi ka nakakapagpahinga, parang you're becoming too hard on yourself. So kumbaga give time rin para sa sarili mo na makapagpahinga. Take a break once in a while para hindi ka masyadong ma-stress. Your challenge is the Four of Wands. So pwedeng meron challenge sa family, pwedeng may challenge sa bahay na you are dealing with, no? So pwedeng meron kang nirerentahan na bahay na nagkakaproblema ka dyan, o kaya yung pagpapagawa ng bahay, pagbili ng bahay. Maari ring meron kang event na kailangan puntahan na na-challenge ka kung paano ka mag-show up dun sa event na yon. Pwedeng ayaw mo umattend or wala kang resources to show up for that event. And then your opportunity is the Seven of Pentacles. You have the opportunity to be more patient do sa mga bagay na minamanifest mo, wina-workout mo. Kasi parang kumbaga malapit na mo nang ma-achieve, malapit mo na makita yung resulta. So kailangan lang hayaan mo siya na dumaan sa proseso, sa tamang proseso. Kumbaga sa itinanim mo na puno, syempre kapag tinanim mo yan, maghihintay ka muna, no, bago to mamunga. At hindi porket may bunga na, pipitasin mo na. Kasi hindi pa siya hinog, 'di ba? Kahit may bunga na, pag pinitas mo, hindi pa hinog, mapait, 'di ba? Or mapakla. So, your patience will parang yan yung tutulong sa'yo para mas makuha mo yung best para sa'yo. Okay? And then your blessing is the Lovers. So some of you are blessed in relationships. Maaring meron kang partner na talagang maayos yung samahan ninyo. You are really taking care of each other. Some of you naman, this is a blessing of contract. So pwedeng merong kontrata, like kontrata sa business, trabaho, or you will be blessed with knowledge or wisdom pagdating sa decision na gagawin nyo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo meron kailangang pagpilian. Meron kayong kailangang pagpilian. So, whatever this is, no, napipiliin nyo, you will be able to choose the best for you. Your money, career, finances, you have the Strength card and the Knight of Swords. So, I feel like, pagdating sa pera, meron kayong kailangang ayusin, kausapin, na kailangang maglakas loob kayo para mas ma-open up ninyo yung totoong nararamdaman nyo about your situation when it comes to your finances. Maaring merong opportunity for your career or business na kailangan mong mag-step up or maglakas ng loob, no? Mag-take ng risk para makakuha ka ng better results. And then your love life. You have the 8 of Pentacles and the Empress. Okay, so if you're single, pwedeng meron person na nag-e-effort para sa'yo dahil talagang gustong-gusto ka niya. And this person has good intention sa'yo. Talagang this person is always showing up, very consistent. And if you are in a relationship, maaring merong pregnancy dito or meron kayong project together ng person mo na this will bring abundance in your partnership Kasi 'di ba? Minsan pag mag-isa tayo, may mga bagay na hindi tayo na-achieve for ourselves. Pero kung meron tayong katuwang sa buhay, someone is supporting us and we support them too. Kumbaga sabi nga, 2 heads are better than 1. So, maaring merong business partnership sa inyo or for some of you, this is a relationship na papasok kayo sa business or you have a project together na the more na sinusuportahan nyo yung isa't isa or you are assisting each other, the more abundance and blessings ang makukuha ninyo. And then for yung iba naman, meron kayong parang merong not event para siyang interview. Oo, merong interview na kailangan mong pag-aralan yung interview na yon kasi it can make or break you So, whatever interview this is, related sa career mo, sa business mo, pagbutihin mo siya. And maniwala ka sa kakayanan mo kasi pag ang isang tao parang na yung nauunahan ng kaba. 'Di ba hindi nakakapagsalita sa interview? Okay, summer, 3 to 6 months. Uy. Nako. Maaring in 3 to 6 months there is someone na merong tao sa buhay mo na madi-disappoint ka sa kanya. This can be a person na romantic connection sa'yo, may romantic connection kayo, or pwede ring anak, no? Kung malalaki na yung anak mo, pwedeng magkaroon ng misunderstanding. Some of you will also focus on your health, no? Sa kalusugan ninyo, magpapalakas kayo ng katawan. You will be more physically fit or may mga activities ka na gagawin that will strengthen your stamina. You also have cabin. May mga times din na gusto mong mapag-isa. At yung mga times na mag-isa ka, doon mo rin nare-realize yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Nagkakaroon ka ng self-reflection. And some of you, it's already happening now. Some of you, meron ding exploration. This can be literal na to travel, can be a local travel, or going to a place for a vacation na parang solo travel, no? Yung iba sa inyo. Kasi parang meron kayong nire-reassess about your life and you feel like you need solitude para makapag-isip-isip kayo. Some of you pwedeng may new house or new place na lilipatan. O, diba? New pathways talaga. Consider whether you are happy on your current path. O, ayun. So, this can be the decision making na kailangan nyong gawin or a choice that you need to make to start a new path, to open for new beginnings. You have the 12th house. So, yung iba sa inyo, Capricorn, you've been going through a lot of emotional roller coaster. Kumbaga, may times na parang ang saya-saya nyo and then after that, malungkot ulit kayo. And somehow, it's stressing you out. Okay? This can be related to money, sa pera, sa resources ninyo, or sa relationship. So, pwedeng yung iba, nagsasabay. Pwedeng iba sa relationship lang. Pwedeng iba sa pera lang. But, I think, yung lakas ng loob na meron ka, yung tiwala, yung confidence mo sa sarili mo, yun yung talagang pinaghuhugutan mo ng lakas eh. Kasi, maaring, yes, may mga taong, willing to support you, to help you, but at the end of the day, it's your call, no? Ikaw yung merong decision for yourself. So, it can be burdensome, maaring nakaka-apekto rin to sa inyong mental health. But, with Leo energy here, this is about your trust, no? Tiwala mo sa sarili mo. And yung enlightenment na marirealize mo what's best for you. Okay? So, kaya mo yan. Ano man tong challenge na to sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.